Oh man. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what's up and what's good, baby? As you guys can see in live HD, it's your host with the most, Paul Cantu, rocking that little starter that goes harder pinstripe ting. And I actually am thrifting on this horrendously ugly, disgusting day. But this actually reminds me of when I first started thrifting in the summer of 2012, bro. It's been 7 years basically of thrifting, and I've came across a lot of heat out in these streets of Houston. But back when I first started, the weather was like this, so hopefully it means I'll find some good gravy today and hella sauce. Let's go ahead and just jump into the first store right now and get into it. Oh yeah, and if you guys need vintage gear, thrift-vintage.com, link down below. I figure I should tell you guys at the beginning instead of the end of the video, so yeah, check that out too. Let's get it. All right, dude, I just walked in. They got a hikey banger, bro. This Levi Strauss vintage denim jacket. Clean, essential, hopping like a damn pimple, baby. You already know it is kind of yaxed on. Jesus. Yo, how lit is this fine, baby? They got the Dallas Cowboys Dad Prescott jersey. Bro, they're smoking dick. $20 for that? Tripping. Are you joking me? Anyways, while they're blowing on these flesh pipes, it appears that some people aren't, because this little saucing like a Miami Dolphin little one bullet in the Chambers jersey is $6. That's not bad, bro. This colorway just goes off like a light. All right, guys, man, the streets are starting to heat up just a little bit. You got that Kiss Destroyer T 1976. This is actually like a 2015 remake, but it just is cool on this little tie-dye frame. It is liquid blue, XX, and then there also is this Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Little Vicious and ever so delicious Super Bowl champions tee.
And Johnson to the outside, caught by McCardell.
It's a bug. I just like the graphic on it. Might get it, might not, but noteworthy. Yo, guys, man, we got a couple more tees. Also shout out the homies that ran up on me. I'm gonna post the pictures here if they throw them on Instagram. Anyways, you got the Jesus Christ bedazzled tees going on. Embrace His grace. I love when shirts are rapping at me. They're $7 each, which is high-key kind of taxed, but it is Jesus Christ on this shirt. Damn, bro, someone was sweating pure Colombian on that guy. Whoa. Oh, is that Babe?
Fuck the pain, nigga.
Yo, this jacket is dummy. Somebody play the war drums. 25. Never mind. You know what? It's tax. I'm just gonna leave it there. Nah, man, I got respect. I put respect on it.
Put some respect on it.
But yeah, it's a clean jacket, dude. Unfortunately, they're just yaxing as per the usual. Shout out Florida State though. That Seminole flu. Yo, this store is out of line, dude. They're charging $13 for this Mickey. Tripping. But I think it's because he's wearing the I Love Gold Supreme up-tempos on his feet. That boy's swagging like Aladdin. Fly as fuck. So clean, then. Oh my God. Tripping. Ooh, baby. Oh, hell yes. 2 icy for your wifey with that menstruation drip. Let's see the... Again. What are they doing? Like, what is going on in here? This thing is stained up and it's $20. They out of line.
Getting out of line like when you break a pencil.
Dude, look at Ernie's hair. This guy is looking like a SoundCloud rapper before they even existed. $2. Dude, I love this guy. Ooh! All right, man, we're jumping out of there. I don't want to be a negative Nancy, but that store really actually wasn't lacking. It was just taxing. And that's the thing I've seen, dude, is throughout my 7-year veteranship of doing this, I've been 7 years in the thrift league, you dig? This store back in the day, actually all these stores back in the day when no one was thrifting, I felt like a Spanish explorer, like Columbus or some shit, on a ship with just hella shoals of fish. Just hella fishes, hella fire, hella bitches in the thrift. And now it's slim pickings, man, slim pickings. But hey, we gonna pick it up. We're gonna get a little bit sauced up at the next store and see what's good. Let's go in there. Blah. All right, man, I done pulled up. Ooh, I just stepped in hella oil. At the next spot, which is Goodwill, bro. There are hella fucking birds up in the letters, dude. Yo, these boys fucking bulling out here on these letters. On some mob shit. Shout out the rats of the sky. Yeah, let's see what's good up in here, dude. Why is that lady shaking her head at me, bro? What? Yo, dude, these chairs were made to impale people. Like, look how sharp they are. All right, guys, so I was perusing the t-shirt section. I found this Walt Disney World tie-dye shirt. It's absolutely crazy. And the homie Marcel is in here. And yo, I gotta show you guys what real mullet cultivation is like.
Ooh, baby, I love you way.
Just look at the frothiness of this thing, the curls. He got the beard, a gold chain poking out. Dude, this guy is equipped. And he said he does it for his nephew, so he is gonna be that uncle, baby. Yeah, but I appreciate the mullet, man. All you guys need some hair inspiration. It's sitting right here in Goodwill, people. You dig? Oh man, dude, that was freaking great, bro. Yeah, shout out to homie Marcel one time. I really hope your name's Marcel and not Martel or something. Like, I hope I'm not fucking up. But I got a couple more t-shirts that I found in here, guys. The first of which I want to say is like polar bears having a threesome, but in all actuality, let's be real, it's just a family of polar bears. It has like built up texturization going on. It's a little Alaska promo tee, codeine backdrop, and then you guys know, man, H-Town hold it down.
It is H-Town, Texas, Braeswood, baby.
This is new school, but still cool. Houston Astro, size large, Nike tee. It just looks super soft. Wear that to the gym, make a crop top, show off a little six-pack action, and get it. This is the real gym. Look at homie's expression. Cookie! That fool got that lazy eye, bro. His eyes are definitely going two different directions. The reason I show off these plushes too is they're not really like valuable at all. They just bring joy to my heart, and that's why I mess with them, dude. And yeah, so if you guys are copying plushes in the thrift for the wrong reasons, not for the joy it brings, you fucking up, bro. Oh my dear God, I'm blessed, man. So I'm in Family Thrift, and they're putting new lights in the building, which finally means it probably won't look like I'm in a toilet every time I record in here, because like the lights were super yellow and look trash. So hopefully the lighting looks amazing right now. But nevertheless, guys, the first find that I have is a little sauced up Tabasco Hawaiian shirt. You guys know, man, too much sauce.
That's too much sauce.
Oh man, Lil Boat, bro, the polo section is booming. Oh no, that fool got penetrated. There's a tiny hole right there, but you got the Nautica from Monica, vintage vertically striped polo. Very essential despite the hole, this thing still goes. Yo guys, in my thrifting career, I dead ass have found 3 of these Carhartt heavy jackets. These go for a grip. Unfortunately, this one has the like Nylix branding on it. Oh, is that like a paper airplane? Extra aerodynamic. But yeah, dude, it's like denim with this nice ribboning. This thing is still high quality. I'm definitely grabbing it. Dude, this crew neck is hard, bruh. Check that thing out, man. It is that vintage Bel Air. This thing is really cool. It says Street Heat. It's in this like Miami Vice, straight up Vice City color scheme. We got the palm trees, the little dip dye neon icon Bel Air. Dude, this crew neck goes off
Like a light.
Yeah. Jeez, that's what I'm talking about, bro. Peep it, man. Got that championship status. 91, 92, 93, 96. Bro, they only got 97, 98 on there. You got the Chicago Bulls vintage starter championship tee. If you guys don't know, man, the Bulls went off in the 90s.
Number 6. Jordan. Open. Chicago with the lead.
Look at that, dude. The shirt's complete with the little starter tag. Very clean. Again, starter made in USA. Wow. Absolutely grailicious. Yes. Bro, oh God. Hell yes, bro. I attracted this into my life, bro. I rocked the starters pinstripe Chicago Bulls piece. Yo, check this out, bro. This shit's crazy, dog. Oh my God. Yes. Yes. Bro, it's so lit. Check it out. You got the all embroidered champion Chicago Bulls Dennis Rodman player edition jersey, size 40, made in USA. Oh my God, this is $2, bro. Holy fuck, dude, this is so lit. Dude, this is so lit, hands down, bro. All right, man, all I gotta do to restore this is really just re-sew this edge of the tag, clean up the loose threads. It has the golden NBA logo. Dude, you got to be shitting me. Champion authentic wear. Dude, I usually rock size 40 or 44. This is yeah, this is staying in the personal collection, dude. Dennis Rodman was that guy, dude. Crazy ass motherfucker. And he was balling.
They all want to see Superman, Batman, and Rodman.
Dennis Rodman!
Bruh. Ooh, I can't wait to rock this. I cannot wait to rock this. And the streets are heating up in the south of Houston, Texas. It's that time. Grail, bitch. Yes! Jeez. Oh. Okay, look how wild this piece is too. I love when the shorts are here because I can just like hang garments up on them. Look at the placement of the Nike check, dude. It's like on the neck. Very rare, very different. You have the little cufflets of the woven ribboning. Nike size XL, made in USA. White tag. Gang shit, baby. Bunch of short essentials for the summertime. You got the pink ones, and these are actually Polo by Ralph Lauren with the Kiwi Pony. You got the white Sierra, forest green light running shorts, and then you got the Codeine Dream as well. 3 different colors, all bright, all will show hella kneecap, and all will keep you cool in the summertime. Damn, bro, right next door, you got another piece. I don't know, man, it's like the pinstripes and the jersey I'm wearing really are bringing God's glory into my life. You got the Tommy for who? For your mommy jeans. Little embellishment tag on the bottom right there. Tommy Jeans baseball script and the Tommy Jeans flag. Focus. Damn. This one hell of a piece. Yo, man, this tee goes dummy. I got a handful of heat that I just found in this little section, but you got the 1992 Endeavor NASA tee, right? So sick, but also a single stitch up in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? But this graphic is just so appealing. The colorway is crazy, and it has that tight ass neck. Fuck bacon, boy.
Finna take off on spaceship.
Yeah, dude, check out these 2 little cool pieces, man. You got the little vintage champion piece right there. Actually, this might be new. It was made in Cambodia. But this piece, sorry, I saw a stain on that, dude. This piece is actually nuts. Warner Brothers vintage stripe tee, right? And you're like, why is this Warner Brothers? Bro, because of the subtle ass Marvin the Martian tag. This is the only indicator that this is in fact a Warner Brothers piece, but it's a long sleeve 90s essential. I thought it was short sleeve because this hoe rolled up. But yeah, man, earth tones in this bitch, but this piece is out of this world. Oh, look at this little thought-alicious mouse right here. She tuned that thing up on my boy Mickey with the big dick. Walt Disney World vintage piece. Man, couple goals AF. But this is family goals right here. You got the activities for children, let's summon demons tee. So the family's over here having a nice little seance. You know this bear is gonna get possessed. Yeah, dude, this tee is random. I like the little cufflets, so yeah, I'll take it. All right, class, so got everything. About to pack it up, depart out of here, and head on to our next destination. Why was I just struggling with that? Oh yeah, fishes get you hella bitches on the chain, boy. Oh God, no. Oh hell no. All right, guys, so we're back in the crib right now, and unfortunately, my grail of the day, this Dennis Rodman embroidered jersey, does not fit my bitch ass right. It fits me a little bit too small. So this is actually a heartbreaking incident that has occurred. So yeah, man, this might be for sale on my vintage website. I'm not quite sure yet. I might just Honey I Shrunk the Kids myself in order to fit this. But if you guys need any vintage gear, again, thriftingvintage.com is linked down below. That's the biggest way and best way you guys can support me and get some fresh threads at the same damn time. But again, man, I appreciate y'all. Show some love in this club. Leave comments down below. I love reading them. And until next time, man, live the dream and eat that vegan ice cream. I'm locked and loaded, and I'm out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.